As a recruiter with 15 years experience, I know that one of the biggest frustrations clients face when they're working with agencies is that the vast majority of them have no way to genuinely verify the technical capabilities of the candidates they're representing. Imagine how much time you could save by knowing that the candidate you're about to interview actually has the skills that are on their CV. TeckChek is a seriously powerful suite of technical assessments that Recital Consulting uses to provide our clients with that exact information. And it's part of our standard service. It's not a chargeable extra. TeckChek has assessments for most of the skills used in IT today and covers IT support disciplines, software development, database administration, even ERP and project management skills. So it's really comprehensive. Here you can see just some of the available assessments. The TeckChek assessment can be taken remotely or on our client's premises as a part of the interview process. It's completely secure, prevents candidates from going back to a previous question or having a separate browser window open to look up answers. You can see here that the questions have a multiple choice answer, but it's always possible that there may be more than one correct answer, meaning that the candidate really has to think about their responses. TeckChek employs an adaptive testing methodology. So when the candidate answers a question correctly, the next question will be a little more challenging. Similarly, an incorrect answer will bring up a slightly easier question, meaning that the end result is a true indication of skill levels. Because of this adaptive methodology, no two assessments are identical. TeckChek doesn't simply ask the same questions to all test takers. Each assessment will have some 1,500 questions available. Typically 60 or so are actually used. So once the assessment's complete, a report is automatically generated by the software on how the candidate's done. Here you can see the actual score our candidate has received on this assessment, and the percentage score here shows you how the candidate compares to others who have taken the same assessment. Next, you can see how the candidate has been rated in each of the subsets of questions in the assessment. You'll notice that TeckChek is showing potential areas of weakness, proficiency and strength in a very clear fashion. It's like a traffic light. This gives hiring managers clear visibility of technical competence and can also be used to structure some specific questions to pose at interview. Possibly the coolest thing about TeckChek is that we can create bespoke assessments which are tailored to specific needs. Let's say a client is looking to hire an infrastructure engineer with a blend of Windows client server knowledge, some networking skills and some virtualization experience. We can design an assessment to cover all of these. Instead of just listening to me though, we have some clips of clients talking about how it's helped them.
I keep getting phone calls and emails from recruiters all the time and saying, look, we can do this, this and this, but I'm not interested in that. We've built the relationship up with Recital to do the TeckCheks. We've even put our own engineers through the tests to make sure and give us a baseline for exactly where our guys sit.
When we've grown organically and promoted from within, they are typically candidates that we've sourced from Recital or from Allan previously through the business. One of the things they provide is the TeckChek test, which gives us a good benchmark on a candidate's technical capability before we even get to the first stage interview process.
TeckChek is a system of questions that tests the candidates' capabilities of doing their job. And Recital will put them through this system of questions before they come and sit in my office for an interview. That saves me time. I can look through the results and I can choose the people I want based on the results that are sent through to me. It's massively advantageous. I've never had that with any other recruitment consultant, and I think it's something that everyone should do.
TeckChek is just a part of our service, so there's no extra charge to clients. We're happy to discuss using the assessments for benchmarking existing employees, for example, for appraisal purposes. We're a recruitment consultancy, not just an agency, and TeckChek is one of the things that helps us to achieve that. Anybody who likes the sound of TeckChek, because it really is unique, should give us a call and find out some more. If I had to sum up TeckChek in one phrase, I'd say it's a way to make IT recruitment less risky.